Hello, so this is question 39 on stoichiometry. We're solving this stoichiometry question that says calculate the mass of O2 produced from the decomposition of 35 gram of KClO3. Okay, so for this kind of questions, you would have to focus. Okay, so if you need to actually focus. First thing you'd want to do here is to write out a balanced equation of reaction. So KClO3 would produce KCl and O2. Yeah, that is the equation. So when it's decomposed, like when you decompose KClO3, you'll get KCl and you'll get O2. Okay, it's very important to know this. And after that, you try to balance it. Okay, so if you have KCl here and KCl, the KCls, they are very happy. They're equal on both sides. The only thing is the O that you have on the left-hand side is 3, while that of the right is 2. So you have to make the one on the right become 3. It's 2, but you have to make it become 3. So you can multiply by 3 over 2, so that when you multiply this out, you see that 2 will cancel out and you get 3. This is also another way of balancing the equation with fractions here. Okay? This is quite easy. And then you can choose to multiply everybody by 2 if you want to get rid of the fraction. So 2KClO3, 2KCl, 3O2. Perfect. All right, is everybody happy? So that's it. Calculate the mass of O2 from the decomposition of this. So can we get the molar mass of KClO3 real quick? Can somebody do that for us? K is 39, Cl is 35.5. Our oxygen is 3 times 16. So what are we going to get? 122.5 grams per mole. Thank you. So if this is the molar mass of KClO3, then what should you do next? Well, we're trying to get the mass of O2 at the end of the day. Let's even figure out what the moles of KClO3 is. So moles of KClO3 is going to be the mass divided by molar mass. So that's 35 divided by 122.5, and that gives us 0.2857 moles. So that is the number of moles of KClO3. We can see that 2 moles of KClO3 produces 3 moles of O2 from that balanced equation, right? Can we see that? Yes, we can. So that means that 0.2857 mole of KClO3 would give us, let's use Y today. So Y is 0.2857 times 3 over 2. And what would that give us? We will get 0.42855 moles. So that's the moles of O2 that will be produced. What is the mass of O2 produced? That was the question. So the mass of O2 becomes the moles times the molar mass of O2, and that is 0.42855 multiplied by 32. How did I get 32? That's the molar mass of O2, okay? You see, some students at this point, they'll write 16 there. I don't know why. It happens. It happens. Marked a lot of scripts. 16, I don't know. Like the oxygen itself is 16. But then this is O2, right? So that's 2 multiplied by the O, which should give you 32. So you should write 32 there. Okay? And when you solve that out, you get about 13.7136 grams. Equal to 14 grams if you would like to put it that way. Approximately equal to 14 grams. This is 2 sig figs, right? 2 significant figures here. So your final answer should be in 2 significant figures as well. So 14 is a good answer, or you can write 13.7 and that would still work very fine. Now question 40 is going to have a twist. 40 will have a twist. That's question 40. So if this is the first time you are watching this video and you've watched it to this point, it means that, something is making sense to you, okay? So click the like button if you like this. Now, for 40, that would have a twist. For you to see 40, you may be, you have a higher chance of seeing 40 if you have subscribed to this channel, if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you follow this page on other social media platform, if that's where you're seeing this video right now. And I'll catch you on question 40, right? If you had any part that actually piqued your interest within this question, let me know in the comments. And also, if you have your own personal questions that you would like us to answer related to chemistry, you can either send them to the DM or you put it in the comments so that we can see them, right? We have to see them somehow. Okay, so that's it pretty much. Please like this video one more time so that other people will get notified that this is a video about stoichiometry. Not many people are looking for stoichiometry. You can help them find this video. Alright then, I shall see you on question 40 with a twist, which you will see if you should subscribe, right? Okay, bye-bye.